Welcome to my channel. Top 5 vintage auto parts every classic car owner in the USA needs. Alright, so if you own a classic car, you already know the deal. They're fun, they're gorgeous, but they break, and usually at the worst time. I'm gonna keep it simple today. Here are the top 5 vintage auto parts every classic car owner in the US needs to keep around. And yeah, I'll throw in some quick fixes too. No fluff, just real talk. Number 1. Distributor cap, rotor, spark plugs, wires. These old cars rely on simple ignition, and when one part fails, you're done. I've been stranded over a bad cap. Carry a spare, and keep a cheap ignition coil too. Quick fix? Scrape corrosion out with a screwdriver if you have to. Second thing you need: a carb rebuild kit. Old gas gums up carbs fast, especially with ethanol in today's fuel. Half the time, you just need a new needle or gasket. Quick fix on the road? Tap the carb with a wrench if it's flooding. Might get you home. Third is belts and hoses. They dry out, they crack, they snap without warning. Keep a spare belt, upper hose, and lower hose in your trunk. And here's a hack: nylon tights can sub in as a temporary belt. Looks dumb but works. Fourth, fuel pump. If your car's mechanical pump fails, that's it. You're stuck. Carry a spare. They're cheap. Quick trick if it dies? Hand prime the lever under the car. Sometimes you'll squeeze out a little life. Number 5 is not even a part. It's tools and a paper service manual. Say wrenches, not metric. Don't rely on Google when you're stranded. Quick fix tip: heat a stuck bolt with a cheap torch. Way better than breaking stuff. Always have baking soda and water to clean battery corrosion. And a simple wire kit. Tape, crimpers, connectors. These cars are wiring nightmares, trust me. Sounds basic, but duct tape and zip ties can hold half a car together temporarily. Exhaust hanging down? Zip tie it. Cracked hose? Wrap it in tape. It's survival. Carry coolant, oil, and spare fuses. Old fuse boxes blow fuses for no reason. And old cars leak. Don't pretend yours doesn't. So that's it. 5 main parts, a few hacks. Keep this stuff in your trunk, and your classic car stops being a nightmare and becomes fun again. Stock up now. Don't be the guy calling a tow truck over a bad spark plug. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.